Good morning, my friends. This is the handheld vacuum cleaner that I talk about that give a problem. Um, it's a fancy one. It's a Dyson, and the problem is it it have a error here. You will see it now when I put it on. Can you see airflow block? So we're going to dig in because the filter is new. I can open it. There's a pre-filter as well that is cleaned, and that is a type of HEPA filter which is replaced, and still it gave that problem. So let's open up and see where is the problem. Okay guys, the second step is this can be removed like something like that, and then that jump out or open to the side, and then if you press there you can slide it off. Okay, so now you can put this aside, and now we can see I'm going to open there with a Phillips screwdriver quickly and bring you back. Okay guys, I've got it so far open. You can see it is very dirty inside. It is a kind of a cyclone effect. How the air work, but here is two screws. There is one, and on the other side that I just can't get off to open it completely because the wires is now short to take everything apart. But I'm going to blow it out with pressure air, and it might work for us. We will test it quickly then. Okay guys, let's see if I can get some air or dust out. Right. Phew, there was a lot of dust. Okay guys, I think I'm going to put it back together and just hold it with my hand, put no screws in, and so that we can see if that error is gone. Let's start it up. error is gone, but there's not much of a suction. Okay guys, I think it's fine. If we switch it now on, you can press here, and that's medium, and that is boost. So I think it's fine guys. On boost it is really a nice vacuum. So let me just dust it off and put it back together. And I don't know why it will not switch off, because it is there. Maybe it idles on that, because that will take not much of energy. Okay guys, it's back together and clean up with a wet cloth. So let's test it again. And this switch off automatically after a little while. So let's put it on. Okay, it is on echo. Now on medium. Now it's medium. And boost. He measured the when I hold it again, my hand against the intake, it measured a very high vacuum, I guess. So let this go away so that it can reset. Okay, let's try it again. I'm not sure where that the whistle come from now. No, fine. Language, alerts on, particle count on, motor sensitivity, exit menu. Okay, I think it's fine guys.